guys, welcome back to our cooking show with Cutie Kids Film Adventure. Now, I showed you a while ago about uh, that we're cooking a batchoy, and we already have that one. I put the white part of the batchoy and cook it first because this part is a little longer to cook, and I have it there: an onion, garlic, a little bit of soy sauce, with the bacon oil, and a little bit of water to make it tender. Leave it there to make it tender. Now that it's already absorbed the water, let me see my spatula. Let's see. Now it's absorbed the water and it looks like it's already tender. Now I'll get the leaves, the green part. Okay, so this is the green part. I already chopped them, and we will wash them. Okay, now I got it washed, so we will put it up here. So green. Okay, there you go. It's all the green. So now my spatula, Fatima and Nevaeh. My kids also playing with the neighbor kid. So we got it in there. So we will leave this for a couple of minutes until this gets soft, and we'll see the taste later on. Okay, cover this up. And also, I am cooking, I'll put that aside. I am also cooking a salmon. We bought a salmon. I already put a little bit of soy sauce in it. I used that soy sauce, and so I only have one hand, so I'll try to cover this up, everything. Kind of hard. I'll be right back. I'll season it with my two hands. See, it's kind of hard, so be right back. Okay guys, I got it seasoned, everything. I got salt in it, salt and garlic, and a little bit of onion and a pepper, and a little bit, I add a little bit of salt also, just a pinch. And so I also put a lemon. This is a lemon, just to give a little bit of acidity. So, and put this all together. Just mix it a little bit. Not to mix it, but just rub it all the ingredients would be. Eating the fish. So this is our fish. So that's ready. And now I'll wash my hand. So we'll go over here and get my oil. So I have pan already here. Turn it on and put the oil. It's okay to put the oil now, even the pan is not yet hot, but make sure before you put the fish, make sure that the oil is already hot enough so that the fish don't stick on the pan. So that's it. That's good enough. And just to give it a little twist, let's put butter, and let's put thyme. I know I do have let me see. I know I have a thyme, or you call this. So this is the butter I use. Put a little bit of butter. So that's already sizzling. So that means that our pan already hot enough. Just adjust a little bit, and let's lower this a little bit. Popping up. Ooh. Ah. That's really hot. It's too hot. Make it low. Okay, now let's put our fish. Hey. That's not an expert. Okay. Make sure skin is in the oil. Skin down. Put everything together. So that's our fish. That's ready. Okay guys, welcome back. I found my rosemary. I like the smell of rosemary. I like it in the food. And I'll get a little bit of this and put it into our fish. Okay, that's good enough. So let this cook. I'm not really sure about how many minutes, but as long as the skin is already crisp and it's no longer sticking on the pan, then it's ready to flip over. So now put our rosemary back, and we'll check our vegetable, our batchoy. So our batchoy is already soft. I like to have the sauce of the batchoy, so we'll put water. We'll add more water. The kids are playing. So let's add a little bit of, well, I'll use the whole, I only have very little soy sauce, so I use this whole thing. So that's it. To make this tastier, secret ingredients is beef cubes, flavoring. So we'll put probably one. That's good enough. One beef cubes. This is most of the time my secret ingredients. Oh, I cannot open it. Here's two beef cubes. Make it a little so it's soft. Just mash it a little bit. I already smelled the rosemary over there. Okay. Let's put a little bit of pepper, black pepper, and a little bit of salt. Leave it for a little bit, cover it up, and let's take a look on my, lower this down, take a look on the fish. See, it's already pulling up. See, just basically put that up. I need 2 hands on this, but it's our fish. Just lift right up. Okay. We'll wait for a little bit. Welcome back, guys, and here's our fish. It's ready. Let's get the sifting oil. Does it look like it? There we go. turn it off a little bit because I'm afraid I may burn it. But this already looks good. That's good enough. Fix that a little. So I have a paper napkin over there to absorb the oil, the existing oil. And we'll wait a little bit for this one. My kids love the crispy oil, the crispy skin. Fish is just easy to cook. It doesn't take long. I am not expert cook, but I cook if I want. I don't want to overcook it. So this is already good. I turn this off. Okay. So that's our fish. Rosemary. That's our fish. So I already turned off everything, and we have here the batchoy. Let's see how it look. Okay. I need a spoon to taste. Oh, hang on. You're up. Okay. Taste. It's already good. It's already tastes good. So we'll leave this a little bit longer because I want it to not to be like liquidy too much. Just enough. So let's wait a little longer for this till it absorb a little bit, and then we'll put our garnish. The last, my kids already eat the bacon. Okay, it's good. I'm also eating it. It's over. It's almost gone. So we'll wait. I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back, guys. Okay, our food is ready. The batchoy is ready, and our fish is ready. It's good. Yeah, it's cooked. Perfect. It's good. Okay, let's turn this off. And let's taste. I'm not sure if do I need to do the plating. Pretty good. It's hot. Okay, let's taste my I'm not gonna go plating. Maybe next time I'll do plating if I have somebody hold my camera. Okay, let's taste this. Good. Okay. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Have a good one. God bless. Bye.